Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is a part of our series of taking care of yourself, your skin, your face, your hair, your body. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we're diving right in here, and this series and episode is all about eye creams, making sure that you care for your eyes, their delicate skin area, and shows aging most of all. So there is several products that I like to recommend today that I've been using that I found to really help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I am not wearing makeup. My face is like this, honey. Trust and believe. So I want to just show you that it's simply just me. So a couple of things that I like to use. These products are wonderful. So I consider it like a miracle cream, a miraculous cream, a cream for anti-aging and to help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So I will start with Jacqueline Page. This is my line. It's a hydraulic eye cream. It's amazing. I've been using it for years. And I'm just going to come up a little bit closer just so you see I really don't have problems with the crow's feet here. I'm not dealing with a lot of wrinkles in and around my eyes, under my eyes. I do have some, as we all do. But what you want to do is to make sure that you care for that area, that you pay attention to that area early on in life. And if at all possible, starting your teens, making sure that you're trying to slow down the aging process, especially around your eyes. So this is a creamy consistency. I've been using this for easily 15 years when I first started my product line. So this here it's a lightweight eye cream to moisturize day or night. Pat around the eye area. So what I like to use, I got this from e.l.f. It's a little spatula, and then it's a little bit of brush at the end. So what I tend to do is I take it, not a lot. This will last you a long time. And you just want to go on your eyelid, around the crow's feet area, underneath, and just gently brush. This is a very delicate area on your face. And you don't want to rub too hard or press too hard. One, because your eyeball is right there, but also because you don't want to add to any wrinkles. You want to help to try and minimize them. So I go in. I generally do this at night because the cream can cause a little bit of puffiness on top, on your lid and under the eye. So, but this, it goes on nice. It blends well. I love it. So I'm just looking here to make sure I'm getting it all in. Yes. It's so nice. It's not oily, fragrance free. It's a great product, I must say. At night, after you clean your face, put on your eye cream. It does not have to be this one, but it needs to be something that you use to protect your eyes and save this beautiful, delicate skin that you were born with. Okay. And one of the things I wasn't going to really mention right now, but I will tell you about it. This is a part, everything's worn off the label and everything, but this is a part of Jacqueline Page Cosmetics also. And this is the depuffing serum that I use. You just put it on in the morning, a little bit under your eye and on top. Within seconds, any puffiness you have, zero, gone. I love it. So another thing that I use, this is really, this product, I think, I don't remember, maybe $28, $30, but it lasts forever because you only use a little. This here is e.l.f. This is by e.l.f. I found out about this a couple of years ago, and it's basically called Illuminated Eye Cream. Helps hydrate and minimize the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for glowing, healthy looking skin. Infused with purified water and vitamin E. Directions. Gently dab the cream around the under eye area. Outward to the temple. okay, and along the brow line, used twice a day. So this came with it. It's a nice thick consistency. Not really a fragrance either. It came with this little device that heats up. It's really kind of neat. So it actually gives you a little bit of a vibration feeling to help reduce puffiness under the eye. And I don't know if you could hear it, but in the mornings, you could easily do this to help reduce any puffiness that you may have. It's so soothing. And this is a little steel top, so it's a little cold. And I think that's a big part of what helps, but it also heats up. And it's activated by you actually pressing the top of it and pressing it on your skin. Just fabulous. I take great care to try and keep my eyes as moisturized, as hydrated as I possibly can to make sure that I'm trying to minimize my fine lines and wrinkles, okay? This here, it's part of Jacqueline Page Cosmetics as well. This is a vitamin C cream. Intense moisturizer fortified with vitamin E, forming a very powerful antioxidant collagen booster and helps minimize age spots. Okay, what more you want? Vitamin C cream. I use this not every day, not even every week, periodically. But if I have something where I have, the spots that I have on my face are actually considered moles. And they say they're supposed to be beauty marks, but it runs in my family and they ain't going nowhere. What I usually do is when they're raised a little bit, and if I don't have any issues with them, then I have them burned off at the dermatologist because I don't really like those things on my face. Anyways. Okay, so the vitamin C. Now, so under here, I'm a little bit darker than other areas. So I easily just add the vitamin C. And over time, it will help to blend those dark spots. They're not really spots, it's more areas that I have right here. I don't like the shadow. So what I tend to do before I put my makeup on, my foundation, I'll usually use this is by e.l.f. also. It's actually a red corrector color. It's a stick. You just put it on, you blend it in. It kind of evens that darkness out. Okay, a couple other things I highly recommend. One is this little device. And I truly believe it's called a massage tool. But what I use it for is simply it's cold because I sit it on my dresser and it's amazing. It is so nice. But it helps to just reduce the puffiness around the eye area and on your face. This is a smaller one that I use towards my eye, just to be careful. You could actually close your eye if you wanted to have the ability to get in closer. I don't necessarily do my eyelid, but if it's puffy enough, I will. And I go in. This is great. I don't recommend putting it in the refrigerator because it's going to be cold enough just sitting out on the dresser. So please remember to take care of this delicate area around the eyes. It is imperative. You will, trust me, thank me as you get older. So keep in mind, you want to make sure you clean your skin, tone, moisturize, and give special attention to your eyes. It is imperative. I just can't tell you enough. So these are my recommendations. I hope this has been helpful. I'm here to offer as much beauty advice as I can give to all of my followers, subscribers, watchers, whatever you want to call it, but my loved ones. So please keep in mind, do this on a regular basis to prevent fine lines and wrinkles. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family so you can stay in the know with all beauty tips that I have and expert advice. Don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog that gives you a host of tips and tricks on how to just maximize what you're spending your money on. Please let me know your thoughts about these products. And if you want to know where to buy Jacqueline Page Cosmetics, it's at www.jacquelinepage.com. cosmetics.com. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.